Good day, I'm Sir Madam. My name is Karen Deseo. I'm 36 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children, 3 boys. The oldest is 13 years old. The younger is 1 year old. I'm high school graduate. I'm working in Philippines as domestic helper. I do babysitting, taking care of children, house cleaning, and cooking.
Okay, Karen, how many years did you work here in the Philippines?
2 years.
2 years. Can you still recall the name of your employer?
Luis Villanueva.
Okay, and how many were they in the family?
They are 2.
Two only.
Yes.
Okay, so you are the only helper in the house?
Yes.
And you do all the household chores inside the house by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. How large was the house?
Big size.
Big size?
Yeah.
Okay, so you were the only one doing the house cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay. Do they have a car?
Yes.
And who was the one who cleans the car?
I'm the one to clean.
You are the one.
Yeah.
So can you do the same when you're already in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You are married, right?
Yes.
And does your husband know that you're applying to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, she will be.
Okay. We look after your children.
Yes.
He will be the one who will
She
look
will
after
be my mother.
and your mother also. Please give us your reason why you want to work in Hong Kong, Karen. What's your reason?
I want to finish the study of my children.
Okay. So as a mother, you definitely know how to take care of a baby, a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
So are you confident enough that you can look after a baby or a young child in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to sleep together with the baby during the night?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Can you do errands like going to the market?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What kind of foods?
Sinigang, adobo, and others.
Okay. Please enumerate some of the household appliances that you can operate.
Washing, coffee maker, and rice cooker, and others.
Okay. Can you do the laundry by hands?
Yes.
Can you look after some pets?
Yes.
Are you not afraid of dogs and pets?
Not afraid.
Okay, very good. How is your health, Karen? How is your health? Is it good? Good, very good. So it means you're physically fit to work?
Yes.
Yes. Have you suffered from any serious illness before?
No.
No. Have you undergone any operation?
No.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
Okay. Are you willing to take your day off during weekday?
Yes.
Are you willing not to take your day off but will be paid instead?
Yes.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe 2 years or extend.
Instead, okay. So that means you're willing to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay, very good. As a closing, Karen, what can you assure to your future employers?
Be honest and be good.
Okay. So you have to be a hardworking, industrious, and honest and reliable person. We trust you are a good person, and we know you can accomplish your duties and responsibilities well. So good luck to you.
Thank you.